Welcome to another edition of Vocabulary Exercise Part 10. Today we have a story of how to make an omelette. There are certain blanks which you need to fill in. Check out if you are able to fill the blanks. Let's start with the first one. In the medium bowl, beat eggs until no white remains in the bowl. Then season it with some salt, pepper, and a pinch red pepper flakes. Then take a pan and heat butter for 1 minute. Pour eggs in the pan and tilt the pan for eggs to cover the full pan area. Once the bottom is cooked, turn the egg on the other side. Let the omelette cook for another 2 minutes. The covering of both sides will become brown. Sprinkle coriander leaves on the top. Place the omelette on top of a plate. Serve hot with ketchup or tea as per the taste. I hope you liked the story of how to make an omelette and it has increased your vocabulary. If you like the story, please subscribe our channel Unstoppable Learning for more videos to come. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Thank you.